My people, na good morning. Oh. Good morning, good morning, good morning. My people, na good morning. My people, now good morning, you. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let's first of all give, as long as it don't come out for social media, may we give respect to who respect is due. Make I say my own rest in peace to Chief Eduwuifo of Benin Kingdom. May his soul rest in peace. And may he go where? Farewell, daddy. Farewell, daddy. Farewell, daddy. Go where and go where. My people, this is my message this morning now. Not be the one where they to Agbedu. Now to Benin people, and a Benin I want use. If you know the year Benin, no verse. No let them verse you. I like to speak Benin for this my video this morning. Edo Hayawe. Well, only yame ya Edo ya we video now. Because a video now give you to know or give you a because all about him. If you not soon about this way, why now come one boy ukmoe oya na be woe or na hi ukmwa ukmoe gina he. What here ya gwa message na you know wrote on no soon with social media ne present akpa so with social media na already ma oni sunu ye ne ye oni asunu ye ne video. I don't like it. I don't know why. Ne present akpa soin with social media na no kan e pa Eduwuifo the Obasogie of Benin Kingdom. E life na e do ya pitanya we ya we gbegi aya boyin neto good or bad kawe aya we gbegi ba gbona. E video na yen wa video ni ka go kwana wa video ni ka na wa ya fefe on. Good morning my people. Waya fefe yedzo ya wa video na no wa go viral na he ijore no concerne mi ijore cause we no ya sun ijore of Paris or sun ijore of Paris o ma sun o gedan already all have rest in peace to manongu emi ni do ya fefe o na tamo manu pa ya gun re megiragun I will rest in peace. Oma Fija, I will rest in peace. Oma Akba, I will rest in peace. Oma Ahu, I will rest in peace. Already, Owo Salubwa, no here George Su, Ogoma no. Omo Saluba no George Su, Ogoma ne Hiragmo, Oma no Wune, Mano Payagmorine, Oma no Layagmorine, no ya no Lagubo no Pane, Omo Saluba no George Su, Ognia, O Managmo Vedi Mabuweji, O George Su, Ognia, O Honia Uviama, ma George. My people, a video na, a video hits to anybody. E video re munda wa ma lekoma ya wa you know ya kan e ma no consign o consign again na no social media wa ya on eni no social media no ha yin pa na yin so video ni guys is yours all how we rest in peace no dossier mere social media ne e presenter ba be no ha yin pa na ona e mu video ni or him when if a picture is your post or him when the jury of Paris has to post a picture ni or ma heke don't post a picture ni because unless maybe to me a reason me no kan Obasogie of Benin Kingdom iga hi jury ohuyon ba jury hin ve do sis a wobion ba good morning my people sis a wobion ba jury hin ve do or ma heke ni jury do how we rest in peace to Omarokpa. E presenter ni we social media magina il y a do maya hin e mata ma we na etinye Monica e video nu ni no concerne me e pa Eduwuifo we be ya we gbege we for example na ra ira no bi we to atezin gbe ni aka mu kun ejo to ni o aka bere ye ni in carry your no heke ne family no matter what uke mu ene la dia e me no mu la dia e tie me dan if you do we e ne dan we na ya te keke bege na ya te o a problem e me no yi la dia do ha we as zero hion ba what see ni jore na we rest in peace. E mi yo na wa o da my sister nu ka about down ho e we na ka kebe nu we because ya tale gbe na nyanye gbe teme na o hia understand e keniri yebo u ba e nu me social media ni down yo e video ala social media ni e gun no down e social media different people ya ya ho with the mouths of different people. No, it's not hook up, my brother. A video no concern a picture ni jore post. Say we video ni se but a video re igbovu. A video re owo mamoma. Ewu. Runde a chief no ru or a chief no jegbeji or juwe ya we video ni. Runde to we mi we ne do. Monica, to we mi we ne do. To we like e vie do gbe. Time do we orion gbe. Even me analyze when we understand who we now we a video no ma badu to bad na do no we de genia visual keku de o seya kahia a he orion ba ne ke do ausi o ya abi nona do de yo to na guna o na do ausi o e me no ka ke no e Monica o we ijore on da many even no sunu do sinu before ke do ha we ake do ha we do hion ba no ake do ha we hion ba no na wa won nu gba be social media o ba tete mo no ba e pari ma ya fe mo no ba tete ayen ne gian o wi vi ma ya hwen but susu wa we o hion ba e no e do ho o hion ba me no keke no wo ma we ma oni ju nu ya kan o do ni because ya we opolo se me gbe ma understand gbori wo but me no react no re na e yo ni me gwan kan e jore ke do aye mi no hian o ke do aye mi no hin nu waya fe ma ya fe mu social media be na review be na o ka me ma no o ka ma be onko o ka me anti o ka me ma no like o me e mani davorion and obiedzo ka be no whether orion ba o me laye di fact re go obiedzo ge eje no ge obiedzo so o me right na ya wish your man rest in peace o ho na mi egwo ma ni sagwa pata oh na mi egwo mani masagwa pata ona wish to o me right na ya wish o ma we rest in peace e rest in peace e bo e rest in peace e ihe e rest in peace runda wi ma wo gbari yago na ti o ma rest in peace and e daddy no metie no na ka ma ewe e daddy oni on do we no na ti e daddy o we oni on da we Monica kakaboja jere in ni yan we the social media na everything when you don't do or Emmanuel filu gbegie amai he wo hion ba o e bo mai ha wo hion ba kwin mai segbe stage ni but you no ran o abobuye na no ka bo bege we very few that is we heroic ken we hion ba we mana je gbese you no yanyi twin or wike e gbo e position ni jo regina wa ogwe agwost so no na because e do ya petanya wa matwa gbonyon ma akawe yin ni because o wete when we do we video ni no ya haman we maybe ya ni me ni anje ni jore make na do ha confess magbon u bege ni amamyo ma pa no la dia no e jore since we wa ya ni ya ngbe already e bo ya without respect no ma no already e bo ya without your no ma no pa already e bo ya without your no ma no fija already e bo ya we mi kon ma no hu na ya mo kai mi na do George Ibagbon everybody know that one or one of ya ole gan no kwa safe ona sa na regan e mi no ija jegbeji no na hu ni o ma pa ro no ya mi kun ere ado George dead body o ga ri o sa as a government tag ewu o ba de ni government cancel sa ni e kin owo ma be e sin ni that is e kin owo ma be you might do understand e case na no wa mu la dia social media na wa mi we when Monica who like because of a view because of ego gwali wina me be wina my sister because ogwe we bungbe na so ezedema ima ndu to bo we reason ave mi so no me so do make sense no we bumbu super we de no ma keke ya fe egbi we wa bumgbe o ma no ladia no do ha we rest in peace we rest in peace ya ive mu we rest in peace ya ive demu wo ive bad we rest in peace my daddy na ma ege wo ya ti o my daddy we do na doni mariage anybody no we no asoma ne no soma ne daddy ati enia Arie ma mesie daddy. Ni yogona ni like. Maybe anything what we daddy. Maya woman ragmen we bo yanti. In me bo yanti wish a good ragmo. Why ti wa sile bo ya fe no re a life no wa sile ya social media we every day no ya wishing ya happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Am I worry wu ni ona do wish gbene e fake account okpa do ha we o mama wu ne wa mu e ladian do we rest in peace we celebrate in we bo set celebrate we never know we birthday. Millions of people do birthday. Even a family in Wekere, when we know we birthday there. Ever know we birthday there are very many. In we bo set celebrate birthday o hiya. Better me so do our we dem no see anywhere na nwe o saloba la wo no jenwa nwa because why nwe most of wa me nwa gbe wa but why nwe dey to wa ya kun go but wa afeko wa afeko igo ma gwale na ya mi go e de no ma rubbish and then get me be what saloba bi go and then get la dia dey no see any na gwan ye me na why ona ga wu wa oh you mean man presenter me la dia to gwan ye gba me na e kan wa o. But rundena na me wado a message ni o give ye do here no because wo di oni we do ladian na ye do ya we ye do e me no wata na we so if ye do we no ta anybody no we ye do me right na ya answer we even any personal issue with you I don't want to have any personal issue with you but what obo reason ya woman atia akom o ma not tie am so e ma mo so hwani or at least on ma hwani we no pa hwani we rosi ma hwani we Julie hwani we e Peter ma hwani we Joy hwani we already what here atia ta hwani no understand as far as when you see ne almost so anybody no hwani we area magnonaji you understand area magnonaji okay mudia o we do high we ijore yan wo ya na tian me umani agbaje a when me ko no dey you tell me family even if ebi ati e ni na to gbara we ho nuta umani di nuta because so viso ma no wuwu ne o ma no pa ne aga to agbogun magme so aka we yin ne because ene ya no ware social media no bo we ya fe kidi what were the beginning, what were the end of all this problem? What were the beginning, what were the end of all this problem? Is your related don't have a daddy rest in peace? One year give me, only me name rockba. Oh my God, what when I do about how him ban, we were no what is your na, say come my sister. Be very careful, heroic. You ba. Heroic and working no hoa. No, we are job women are when my us walk injury because I swag booking on my car way in a message in a when you worry, no anything against you, but what one went with me so. I swag booking on my car way in it. May do understand. Then because and in Zore, Nana or him bania. Room big what of you gear and one of what I get good declare your back. Better who were my sister Salo boy area de no time when you are with ye. But you are not seeing it. Who beg eh? And then no time or Salo boy when you are with ye. But who deg I don't know why you are not seeing it. You might not say we are not degging in a degging buwe, but you were deg. You might not say another where do ya degging your body kinek buwe, but you were deg or he deg moya. Who walk by me right in a yagma yogona, walk by me right in a yagma yogenopa, walk by me right in a yatogonona, walk by me right in a yatogonona. Be very careful, my sister. And do ya beg a problem or waro baby to dege. Oh, man, you are just a bini like us. I tell my mohan when you are good but ever why he way immaterial thing. This one jalo. Eh? If I can go work one, but I can not tell me no heke, and no heke na tama when we are with your ban, we young government, idiot do. La wo, a sister no you do. Be very careful, sister no bane, you ban and you suwane. E sta no pa ne alu enwe to agbogun yoma akawe yin ni to agbogun yoma akawe yin ni eyin mewe ni meta then okay presenters no ro ni ke okay mama vi ati ko na no regime ni vi mama e magije ni ere ko pa no be do reply wa non vri pla wa de on on check bo mama. On check bo mama mon mi ko la gisan. Ou bege ave on me so nu wa social media na ne no get asibi no ma work. Already ou die me no die me but I will just tell you in a very respectful way. Ou that is ou tene de no keke. Emi ni me wa notice ve gbugwe wa ne ho. Ou tene de no keke. Am gbenwa me go bokpa. Wa ege me magu wetare ga gwa George. You may don't understand. Wa la dian wa tene de no keke. Unwe egu setite e gwanjo because I don't really know. Ma only disrespect we bet who gwa ye me. Mudia eva ya ni wa red donion wa onko we ma ya no iwa ruwe palace oko hu wa ye yen wa he. Anybody no iwa palace ne mama on checkable one of Germany. E onko we ya wa he daddy we ya wa he. We me no say awo ho ba ne we bo na wa kwede dem total me so no wa reason me so. O ho ba no keke ni adole bo jive we bo. Ugbe so wa gwan I bia kai do anwonda we. They na bi ho ba na ye da we ho ba ne na he. Da we man na he. I ho ba na ti gwan de no keke. Why? What's in one video? Mama shake boy, Niki are social media now, me so ni na zedia le here we na be here we. Anybody no here no man no wa we go ani e daddy we ya fe wa hin. Onko we ya fe gwa hin. E onko we baba we ya fe gwa hin. Eni ala dia be no keke no ya la dia no keke no we dota, e ni monica u no keke no we la dia dota. Okay, o ma we say you are just supposed to come out to work one have my way now. And if you know now, my way say ye do ya fe ogugwan. Uriye o zangi ye do. Wa kuna gwe shifi ve ni ana gwan but already daddy when we gwari ye do way any every time. My daddy. This is my daddy. E daddy me na hin. E daddy me we gugwan. You just make the OT person na. As if work pa wa me daddy ya no re Germany na. Or no re doni. Mudia o de no se na me wa so ne presenter no social media na me so wu we wa no wata we e gwa na nwa e kan gwa ya ho me any small thing e kan gwa ya ho me any small thing me u gwa me na wa o me pa ne bi adan yo no de u gwa e that me wa no yin e no boy me na nwa nia e that me wa no e boy me na nwa e that me wa no wo se na me wu wa na ni gwa e ya de that ni wu gwa gwa why de me no see e They no say na mi wa man wa daddy if you have a daddy we mommy ni ruwe gwa. Wa me poble e me ni agaro to wa setita o wa ye hwe mu ma we man iku we gware e man ye ken o wa no hwa ya hwe gi ya gwa gwa. E disgrace wa ye ni mana because me ahu wa gwa wa ni wata we e ken gwa me kwere e ken gwa ya hwe me o ye gwa me hin e va ni na nwa ave daddy me no bet wa gwa. I don't know where. Most of you e wa ya o Bani wa presenter no ro me watana. E presenter si no ro no social media na ni mayaji na. Who wa disgrace oma, who wa ye hwe no ma, who wa ye shame and disgrace re. E o copy ni una. If ye do ami ma no no ri ye do we, wara o wa ya wa me. Ami ma no no ri ye do. O bi aro hu ye gwa lo ye do ni. Ye ma oni ye ri ye do. O hu aro hu ye ma oni ye ri ye do. O bi wo me ga kwere, we u copy na ka me wa gwe bini woman. O hu ye gwa le bini woman. What's here? I see what they are doing on social media. E kara to what's here? Nana mioma no no really do. Okay, they not say why not to wa we. Wa mo do ne wo wa. Wa mo bia ne wo wa. E mani me yo do. E mani me ri owo. Iya roe. Wa e boss no vie wo ya. O mi ya mami ho no we gberi yan la wa. Why anyway a guest no fear we am me no we gberi yan la wa no jian no respecting yan because of we you be binige e who copy me wa una most me ware o wa o ye wo be o gwa lo ho better we yeri o ye do e kara to wasi the social media why ma dolu yin eji the social media say na me ma no na eri o ye do no we ye gwa wa gwa unu wa do we se dia wa atale rubbish me no la dia unu wa rubbish ya O bi ala jan wi gwa lo ye do o ho ala jan wi gwa lo ye do unyi mu wasi e social media o se ni na reject ma e tinya gele reject ma because of wetin ya gele ma se ma already if ye do adio ya la wo do ya gele di eja ni ji me ya la wera me ti to dey o ye jo me pa wa ni re o bia no ye gbo wo hwa ya o me o bia no ye gbo mo ya o me no va e bo kwa e va no ye je ti to dey ya wo gba se boy se gbogbo re But a reputation what one year on the social media is very bad. A reputation what year on the social media, Emma. Okay, the jour retire where rest in peace. There runde ke igbofonu we ne ni jore. Boy wa ogwebu we. There igbofonu we ne boy ga ogwebu wa we na me we na be kan chief. Anything no kan go dem no so we na ye gbe we amate go we go ban ya we a recognition man go alo ogwa le view. But worry ye gbe ya go le view. Say gbe ya we ya go alo. E pili e ke ya fe ya go alo. U ye bada bu fie bada bi fi we. U lu egbe we ya all your body e vein no ro we gbe. Ini an ro egbe ya fe ya go le view. Ou j'ai be woro no roto e doni ya fe ba bu gwale recognition with social media. Why are you behaving like that? What shall we genere yo? What shall we ya genere yo? Okay, do o man like jore. Una valeri e me go ke runde no na o hion ba o se no na do we rest in peace. E na ya ke mi rest in peace. A do bo mi le bo we ha go hion ba ni no. E gide dey wish am no like rest in peace. Hisha. Why na? What's on a jeveana? Anybody no really like his any no eti how a shift no we go anybody. No we rest in peace. What's the anami we man ye ken gwa ya hwe. Mano wa na ye kin ba ya hwe man na ye ken zieken. E kenke kan wo to edo ya hwe. Ne me wa pa bu we gwa. Ne no ma relate to other shift ro pa man no ma people. Ma re enwi na so gwa ni me. E ave daddy ya we gwa. Oni ontani mere do no why we na why so wo dem no say na wa mi we mana ma je kan gwa ya hwe mana ye kin ba ya hwe mana on ma kekan mana ne daddy we mo mi ya hwe gwa mana normal people no ma e ma ro pa hwe gwa what say na mi we mana or reason so wa ni na daddy we mo mi hwe gwa so in are social media say e mo mi e daddy yen wa no erere ma gba. No panonse u we gwa na wa hwe yen ken gwa ya hwe yen e ken gwa na ovie gwa no hwa yen wa hin ovie edo ovie ba o ken wa gwa ni even wata gba the social media as a presenter even wata the social media gba as a presenter ugbe so ma atota ye da wa ni da me wa wa gwa for wana wa even wata wa asan san me wa da no wa ja da ho wa getin e mo pa wata ro pa no la everywhere why ri ye hwegi ma. Why ye hwegi ma? Waja nwina wagwale 2 hours de ba nwina ye megwale nwina ye ba nwina. O ma mi mani di nu gboko gi wu ya no no tag no na ke mi ho. O mani di nu o yere no ba de yo to ne no we ni ye recipe si ye ya rewe bona. Egbo ya rewe bona wa magi ya were wa be je e dead body ya mi go. The YouTube ya mi in a different place. Any waje a. Any waje a. Okay, rest in peace no matter. I say no wasi okwo with social media. Me daddy aka he ogun bane. Be very careful, my sister. When o waru jore hia na he ogun bane he ogun bane he ogun gege wonu gege ya ru jore fidin. Be very careful. He right ke we ko ogun ba. Twin ke. He we go ogun ba hu we twin ke something every day you are working close to becoming ogun ba. A message may just an advice. Don't take it too personal. I get brushy with every but you are becoming Ohyomba. You are working towards it every day. We are sikoe. U sikoe de here. U sikoe de here. And every little step you make every day is taking you closer to becoming Ohyomba by the day. And I will the worst to say. Abuma as for Ohyomba can wear in. Be very careful. Okay, a problem. You want to be the beginner. You want to be the beginner of everything. Never ya how we just in what's one. But any no is nonsense. It's rubbish. It make sense. It's rubbish. I mean, no mama. It's nonsense. I don't understand. How we just we blogger no soon. You want to start it, you go and just be talking nonsense. My sister, where give you your momo now? Where give you where give you where young money? When we go to Gualo, why resort to get where you go ya or don't know where you every time. If you dey talk to person, call name. You never say hear wetin I talk since. I said that Monica now they talk. Wetin is Jore talk? Wetin is Jore talk? Rest in peace. Oma say na gboma ba. Rest in peace, daddy. Oma say na gboma ba. Daddy, he say Where okay, no where can social media na no where we ya fair no with social media na. Or anybody no where that is there. Many those people can be held responsible for any ya no ewu. But to lad down na in ya your way. E mani riye, mani ma be riye nya were. All right, it's okay. Maybe I'll tell again and and let people leave you alone. But why are you always becoming a problem on social media? Why cooking a problem every time? You always want to go and carry problem to meet him and you go wa. Almost to oh ya more problem and you go wa. Eh? Okay, we're going here. Oh, yeah, nobody will no repetition you. Ujamwe problem ya move ai. Any ya no mie, any ya na o mie e unuta. But any ya na uwe wa dekan, unu we wa dekan. Any no ma ya be area ya eguma. Everything unu we wa dekan. Eta we na we dekan unu we stay here because of money. You are just too money conscious for no reason. You are just too money conscious for no reason. Even if you like rest in peace, my daddy. Oh, Mattia Bonnet. Already, you're going to double your babeting your honor now. Or yet, your honor, you come in fair way. Or yet, your honor, come in no rest in peace. Or yet, your honor, come in no rest in peace. I come in when you go walk. You go to walk, wow, my. What are you doing here? I'm going to have my wedding with a boom weapon. You go to work. What are you talking about? What's the other me every time? Almost to do cause traffic in the social media do have way. Me ba ne, isu wa ne. Iya gbovo. Anybody I love Diana do tell matter ma we. Be matter no we wetani wetin ya gbovo we. Be careful, my sister. You are just full of trouble. E mo wale lu ekin akoboko we. Adu e kan we hama wo wo pa go agun. E kan we hama we wo pa go agun. E wo pa go agun, but e ma wa ge we. What is the need? You know, what's your name? I respond to you most times. Okay, a part of you for no me Jebejinania. What get rest in peace? Must you carry trouble? Must you carry trouble to go and disturb this man in the expectation in a more you must make in a bay my la pa no geken. Almost so ya wo why ya disturb because of a visual remove. Be careful, my sister. I advise you wa only worry you eh. Woman afeko yen wa ya we ato agbogioma akawe yimine. Ato agbogioma akawe yimine. O deno ikewe ko hiomba eriyo wa no, and every day you begin to no matter what no ikewe. Be careful. Wise. Ubu wise ka boran o wa. Hero ikewe ke no hiomba. Tun ike. Very soon we mana we ni jore mi ekere no bi ami aso ni. E mata we ni tamawe. Umana ruwenwe. Umana ko gbogbo ye breaking wa pinkin na wo ma ro pa ije na howe. O ma la dian ye do gwegun wa mi gwegwe gugun a. Me gugun a. Me. Awe. Be very careful. Be very careful. Or too much mo egbe. Oni na ga go ni. Ai ma ya fefe ni wa social media presenter wa te wa gun kere. Wa te tell va wa mi e ken gwa ya we me. On a kete mon pa e ken gwa ya kwe. Me ovye chief making ya. Me pa me ya down you no de. Ovye chief making ya. Ovye chief making ya. Me ni me gwaje na. E daddy me no ni ya. E ma ya ni ware palace daddy wa ya wa ya ne me gba nu wa wo agun. Wa ni wa me daddy me. On shake bo mama la wo wo. Emi no see e no do lose respect we. Emi ati e ya wa ya verse pa nu. O ma ke o ni lose respect we. U bege e gba me e na asi nu. Wa hia gun a. Ene no mani asabu nse emu han ya gun ewe mi ropa wo we that dog imagine we bona unu ya gun on social media gun agbori recognition gbe oko enu yes because our gun o we gbe Mama Shekebo one of Germany na zuna de toto o ma keke no alwe huwe no awo here o hen again na tie monica o mo engbi o hin ya mo egbu gwa le saga yes I understand. But anyway, what is going on? Because we so na gun ya kan ya ni doma no gbe anti anu ri ya ti we mi ro pa na. What setting wo nu ya gun na. O nu o ja gun because wo gbe weje. Ya be junu ya gun mo do ka lo be ni gbe ya gbe ya be. We have mu e ti o be ka lo. E ri o se gbe da le ri o na. O gbe da le ri o. E we bo ma je na mi gbe wo de aya o ge gba gbe da gbe. Atu gba ma tu gbe ari e da ene gbe. I pay her strength to me no see we na do social media again wa onu do ya o we na miegu ma gbe ni ugbe so do anwe pene gbe gboto Ege no a onu do ya o we na me we maybe wa ge o homa mo ri respect no na. O do amwe pene gbegboto. U beg even no time no then ya good hypocrite. It's very true. O my time any ma we te better when yin ye we be down wait correct yin. O say no na kama we hypocrite to him, which is very true. Even the me beg we gbogbo long time yin let am we ni. Hypocrite no wa wo hin. Mama one Germany e choke ball Germany. Who time matter? Any as you no we no ka ke no ya tag wala dian. Who time? Wa when they wa go e yo go ere go e yo go ere go e yo go ere ho am wo han go we go ma no agu gwan. E ya be ba anywhere. Ah, e that go get supermarket e be we bonani ah. Ama pari e ba e no ma. Ona ari supermarket am we vagin o, we not ba ahia we vagin. Oh yeah, we shopping la wa. Ama pa si di we na. Already we bona I see the gbe we. Ah, o ha wa mweje, mama wa Germany. Why ho am we wa la wa fo. Ei gwan ye ni so no ma keke nu gwanji. Because woman gwanji o be no keke wa gbon we gbe me wa de we since but we o ho ba be yana. O wa tell so tade no. O me yeso no ase wa gbe wa se ba. O ka here no se wa we gbe. O ka here no se wa we gbe. O ka here no se wa we gbe. O ha amu we. O wa go wet gwan. Amana veni meje mi eni na do ma concern over do na do amwe do la dian we do people me de gwan na social media me je presenter here na top no waketa le ne gbugwa me egwan yo there no waketa le ne gbugwa yi gwan because how gwan hin na that one na personal distance o ma kan aropa how gwan hin wa ke na asile gbugwa ke ko wasile la na Abuja wa ho e la dian be abiaka na no that one is for you people problem why can that always way ni swipe comment ni ga dege comment ni tell me ni ata. Why can that dog as way or we can't know what day or one in probably warning. But my belly no do can already donate way or can a do edition a do people guanji. Yes. Or can a do people guanji? Or can a do people guanji? When not do complain again, Mama shake a bone one of Germany again and no do tag on my taxi. Where may again and we get with my taxi. On a same and I come away with one and then wetter where my taxi. Atwa gbogioma adoka we ni ne we ya le lijore o wete onu we ruwa jore nu ruwa ke problem wa fe ko be nu we ruwa ya o we nu wa ya o ne nu wa ya ruwa ma fie problem wa fe ko because wa onu do ruwa ma fie problem but before you know it we dey yet in before mani e ya kasi nu wa gbona na ma beg here o dey yet in before mani there is one thing in this life in humanity feel with here. Leave it or no, he's already made a mistake. Maya beggar the social media now. A mistake he not make, or I don't have beg you one or a mistake of error on is already making on social media now. The only mistake in is already make of you no one or finish. What berani? A mistake here no say not a mistake. Or bonaya bogohan, or bariman wakani, Bariman, or him, no barely maya. What's the one about me? Or him about banning here. What here how we walking where? Or him where declare man, you walking out when no, a babanning here. Because my yafe fe ye my yakin. Here. Fait qu'on push jore, fait qu'on push na mi ewu no ka we yin ne. On your why message even we. Because wa push egbe wa ka we yin ne is very obvious. Who do ka we yin ne wa push egbe? Who ka we yin ne? Because women respect okpa be gbe, women wo bo, women be ni bi e nu awe ya mi fa unu ya. When every time ya ta even na mi accident. All right. If it's on a be yet me accident no kede. Where I got me accident no call where day. Abio e ga so. Una gregwan, una pa gregwan, u do gwen gwan, wana gwen gwan na rio. Gba kun ye gi mu accident ri mu na gwen na. O se una zie gbe na accident ni ri we no keke. Wana do asan re o do a complain, u do amie u gregwan, na pa gregwan u do afi pegumi. Na pa u do afi pegumi. Why? E what ye? Ati akwani ni a. E ye do ya fe we no ta. O we la dan do ne do hiata. Iri e do wa do ansa me o. Wa do ri nwan me. E ni ta na ota we wa no. Of which ota gele no. Le le da do re yin aya ri nwan ye no. Yin aya ri no e. O ye do no re ma na ala ti ri nwan ye no e no e. No pa no re ma ala ti ri nwan ye no e no e. Be very careful because you see ko hin ba ne. Ho ikero ike. Ge we go hin ba. Eni ati no iwa ko wo kon hin ba ye tun yin but we dey I don't know why you are not seeing it. Ignorant bungbe. Ignorant bugbe. Ora o bi aruwa we. Ona ga o horo we. Kamia ni azu obo be kun igo ni ya. In aruwa we gbegbe. You understand? They are pushing you more than gauge. In aruwa we gbegbe. E mata ma we na etin. Monica. Ma be a video no ja uni. Ota no e ota down. But the right time in aya not time because someone who ma I kiyo e kama we rest in peace. Rest in peace ota. De tu ka miya bo ragmo wo de no ma ko na anotani. E ma yebe. Even as such, any ya no bo kamie, any ya na wo bo kamie unu enta. Ogwe, obungbe my sister. Ene so no gbonuji, ogbungbo se wegbe. Osi na wo mo otuga, mo ta, mo wono na. You are losing your reputation every day. Imagine no jaweja o egu ye me reputation. I don't know. Imagine no se una bego de. Ngbe so wa we wa to me, we get na. Bi no mo sese na. Evi me nwa. Nwa we ato me, wa u gabu. Umenwa. Eni ya fefefe na wo ma me e unu ma dekan. Utogbo we mu egbu afie problem. Utogbo we mu egbu afie problem. Problem we wa o ge wa weji ni. Wo bo wa ya kole ya le different place. Ne ma ro wa weji wo ma 7 ya. Nutogbo we deleji ori bunse. O bunse Monica. Kierebe wa la nu ye negbu e. Orion we ma sha ni de gba be wa la nu ye negbu e na babi ko. You are so peaceless. C'est peace do that mon baby. E wa la re problem. O ma no be reason ya mo wa la ho ma no pa ya mo rene. We mu bagwe. You are just full of problem. If no ya men do reply to you ni or if no ya men ya teme na we na because of no how we if ota we no Wo can't do la diana no how we makame o magumegwa. Already we go be do hin. E ma ya no ki ye do me right na ya reply we. Abi? O ma no ta na ye almost so mi nwanye. E nwanye no ro na hina. Enwanye na hin so agedo da we onu do ha we wo so na do ansa me wo so na do wan kin gu we gwan o ile do ya fe we gu gwan o ye do ya fe no bi ye go ye do ye hin e ken do ya we yin o me rat na ya reply we without no problem enu na le zoro pa no ave gujo abi enu na le zoro pa no agujo e ga yo ya sincere ya ni ruwa we are when no we go tabe no tan yen tabe no heke okay we kai me no we ya gweza ma no repeating wa mi e bo na ne tell me dem no mi e bo e YouTube, YouTube very a recognition more than social media. Where in a way ni ati ege. Imagine ya zedo ni ya so ya we content of ya we muhi. It's very painful. It's very painful. We can o what den we wa muhi in social media na. If not, my sister, we no feel we re. U be jore no we wa ruahia na e ko ruwa e. U mana fe ko ruwa jore. Weto bu we na his jore se we 100%. His jore odo level no kwa no. On da many on don't make the mistake odo level no. Anybody know you can mama we one men get be round every time ya tell who ye o marry. That's the truth. O tell la diano pa ti do la diano how we jore brainwash me na no na can you do it? O man la diano total no he's just saying where negbe around we. You know how many people look up to her because of negbe around we ni keka no tane. No junu ya tala dian. That is something. That is something. Me man like Ivo Dua. He man like Abe Mantan. He me who wene na Ivo Dua. I don't know. Eri ya rewe. A verse in where ye nebo kari ye negbu ene. Ari ye negbu. One is a verse in it can't tama whether they one need that verse in ase. Gele one need they say. Oh my baby. What one need they say? E mama shake bonani and we do complain. He na we wa guteme no tani. Atu beg any hypocrite no bandoranwa. Now e ban we do ranu e mama shake bo hypocrite no ge odo atale me no tana ge gwa gun e no labia mu e magba which is you know it wo ma no keke na allergy e ko ho na o wa we mi tan wari e ma we because work out the time akwa we mi nu na e ma u bege e mama shake bo u bege e ga wa gun u gegbe u bege e mama no we rie wo this year e ke no keke no ana gbe otian ori o gbe u bege e bola dian do ha ma we ni a hypocrite no kwa ge o ofu she me no tani me ne rita wari stampire ina wa stamp e gba Uvion beji me no wata ni e matata. Emi ni me wa dey for all this because me down the ma ya reason e we. Ni give no ma ya gun e, ni give no ya reason e dey me gbabu nu e. Do ma gun no. I reason you every time wa agun a. Emi no tatwen. What better we politics na bege we campaign say yes, we no gba. Ni wa ke ya fe and e saga gun aji. Me ma be mi on pa no we mo bo with social media. Mama shake bo. Ima be nyo pa nu as long as o han gie o ma we tema tabe no yakek la dian wa ha we daddy me no wa umuje ekmene gbugwe mu gboto ni wa do ake we daddy me we gugun a daddy me we gugun a we hi ho ba se ni ya fe egbe ni a ma ya fe ni wa ru we gba ni wa daddy we a egbuwa we me o ona wa la dian we daddy yin wa ni tie daddy wa ni gba bu nu wa gbe so mi age so opoko nya gbe babo kini ni presenter won ye kin o Oga lu ame nyagbe va. O tie. Me gabe. Uwa gwa ni ana wa bi me. uwa gwa ni ka gwa ya hwe obie gwa uwa idu aha we guys wana mo wa no kwa gboto ye shame and disgrace wari ye no wa no kwa a shame enye hwe no kwa wari ye no wa no kwa o ne bodu aha we ma ya fe ni kwa ko wa no kwa de ma wa lo aba ni no pa wa be robo no pa bodo wa be go wa no kwa be no be go wa be ku egmina osu wana do osu wana jekbu osu wana disgrace egbu wa we salobo oh mo ti o ke mi ame baba osu wana disgrace egbu wa I'll just they look now and say, which can people be all this one? But they now make money. Like a nare, imami yon pa ya ho, wana ya feel what kwa bikompa. Una just deserve we person you just use trailer take pack. Awa you watch you walk pa. Wa segbe stage in a stage of pana ina take beshin your man back be your man where you why you kompa over wajina. I'm telling you. Awa you watch you kompa cause why ne nwe. Una no get sense. I tell una not say na insult. Insult why ne nwe. Why ne nwe I mean what I hella ho. Wama ege me nwata la ho. Kwa gwa na me nwata la ho mo wa so we. Ya o. Presenter ya me down your social media na me wa re so wa rule gbera. God for be battle. Sa we ra pon ye speed ya gbera e. Presenter wa gwa say be pa gwa ya ho me. Obi egwa. Enu wa be. E gba bi me. O ma ika wo veri oni. No wa me say obi egwa. Obi pa me ki. Enu wa me na. Obi pa mena ekwa ben wa nyena are tupia otije me ya gahin otira me otije me ya hin ene gba wo wa ya fefefe ni wa mo tira mo tije we ne palace. Why are you people disgracing us? Have palace people what's one disgracing ma one palace people one wa hare wa hin what's one do aye palace ya duro we bo o me bi go ni ya kebari enu wa no wa me every time wa onu wa do asie e bini palace o we la dian social media every time wa ya see o we la dian o me go ni ya pay no ma no see come no see ke baba se ya o me go na rie ne ekwekwe mu wa o me go na rie no ma no see ke baba se ya ikata mu wa oni ala mere de gbene me we bo ajo wa ave de denire we bo na ekwe wa do a disgrace o ma se no retire mo na retire e shame and disgrace o me mani gwa da be ni rototo na mani bi bie ka ni da de social media wa we bie ka ma here my wa look here wa gi ma ya san trash wa ni every time wa gi ma ya san bolu wa ni san wa look here because wana we ni kai any ka wa social media wa na most of wa is jore ni respect no wa even because of dolebu no me like have dolebu e ma ta wata mu wana il like dolebu il like maneto tanya ya you ya see problem gema e mani ma see problem giyan. I like people where they respect themselves. I like people where they respect themselves. Abo pokiti o pokiti e mumu abo ironi hwa abe ogbulubulu abe mana sentino nue wa ya fi awala dian social media o ye gua mehin na opa wa be gun ano don me no ma be ma oni wa be gun ano de dati me no ni ayan koko me wala wo wala wa e bu wa we me osu wana do ari ehwe palace I mean e magbon intelligent people ni kedore e magbon wa ginya de time no wiya okay e ginya do tanya sike royal blood be no wa ya tai wa sike royal blood wani wa sike royal blood no ru wa degbe de mi kene ru wa degbe le ru wa degbe o me salary ni ya pay no wa abi so me go ni ya pay no wa no wa ya disgrace ni ma o me go ni ya pay no wa no wa ya disgrace ni ma wala wa ma be ihoro pa ma ki yoni bia ma ki yoni ya ni do ya complain il y a don we who copy you more than 10,000 people more than 1,000 people sorry to say no wa you do no we ni you do ya o but wetin ya wa an ke book e ya yun ma e ma na haga ri e o me gene den ya me hun ya ri yo ma why is all this now? What are you people doing? Agwa an ke book e ya yun ma agwa e ma ni do ha ni ya o me before e bian hi be hin wi do why you book here on social media ba so wala dan wa to gwan me wata wa gwa gwan me wata make sense wa gwa gwan most of now wa ya wa gwa gwan wa gugwe ka gwe ha wa we wa gwa gwan most of you people na no sabi talk wala wa pe gbu wa jo wa anytime ko ba wala dan te me daddy me daddy me wa no mo engwa ni yes okay ken gwa na ya ke me gwa ya na wa yi je ne ken gwa ya howe Wala wo wa je keke ni huenya. Me make you understand wa. Make kana wa ye e kan wewu, e kenkekan, e kenoroto, e kinbae, e kenha, e kuze bubu kekan ya huwe. Ma wa be don wen so wa. What's happening to you people? Eh? What is happening to you people? What is happening to you people? Every time the thing say na only una sabi talk, me say we na huwa. Eh? E Monica when waru go wasio bi go wara every time. Umo so onu mo topic le dey call mo re topic ni ya. When ya gba me na me nu wa ke gbo wa ke there I know they talk, but it not concern me. Then na me egudo you know what I wear. Wado ho ni eme iri edu. Okay, enwa ni ohime na hinu we. Sis we ni vie do ya ladian ota we no. E answer hime na hin toju. Or hime ne rita no vie edu ne sese. My own personal answer to you now is because ati ahweni. What we na do hweni yo. We na do ntama we. We na do ye nwa ni enwe. Ige obiya ni keke be ba on ya. Abi before now my own enwa ni toju na is no weke we ni ya no we social media o mo bi apa no we tie daddy no we do there. Oye me mo hopa no we tie mommy there. Iya je woke. Oni enwa ni ohi metozu. Iya ni oju weke den. Oga e maru on pa bo bi e do no we tie daddy de no ke wo ku we social media. Ge ko we ge ireva we mai. Already mai bega e do eti o ma do pa daddy. Imaye bege do e ti o ma do pa mommy no ke gbugogu we social media. But why e go ma ro no eti e daddy. Why e go ma e ro no eti e mommy. Iya ji weke ya. Abo me ma understand mai eri aja en. We make na journey ja onyo enwa ni ohugwe. Because we ni vie do ya do ari enwa ni enu go ta we no en. So otani e na hin. Enwa ya no we eti e daddy no weke we me social media. Kake enwa ya no we eti e mommy no weke we me social media. E yazu weke no we ya azibada no we ga azea. De ya je weke. Ige tu onu wari yoho ne ya bezi we no man ya hin. E ya je weke. Onu wari yoho ne ya bezi we ohwo ban ya hin. Ube yenwe. Ijore wa be respect o bia na e na ke ya sinwa. She said do we ofo. A musician ya ka ya sinwa ne those days. E do we ofo baba. No be today. Eni ya fefe wa gbelu nuju wa sile oda social media wa ya me view wa. Itamu wa. O mama na gwa gwali go se igo gwalo. Yes, I'm not gwali go say go gwalo e bag monument ye. I'm not gwali go say go gwala ni go agwalo when ati we money misroad. Ati we mumu. Because me I never even see the money. My sister, ugmeso ya design no we deki. Isa no we gwale ke ni ya na kin isa no fit no we no ya ade no ya akuye. Ya gwale ke na design no we. You are giving yourself problem. Or that from where we gwala ne, if you worry a problem here for no reason, they don't deserve it. Eh? They don't deserve it. You are just a troublemaker for no reason. Eh? Oh, man, no, you love when you don't tell me time where no je. Why love who do I have where? When I come make my shut up! Me not do that! Me not do that! Me not that! Who walk going once away? Oh, Gappy! My sister, woman, where? You don't just get sense at all. What then? I don't know what happened to you. Then when we are where they are going, go and get a contract and go to job and work your ass out and stop misbehaving and doing rubbish. Eh? And stop misbehaving and doing rubbish. If you have ever wow no wa munu jinu ata social media, a chief here do you for? Otan we don't know any what ota when I make na beg gboje. I got beg gboje so my say. You are just seeing yourself in the middle of nowhere. Eh? You are so irritating when you are doing some stuff. Very, very irritating. You don't even make sense when you are doing some stuff. You are so out of point. You are so nonsensical. You don't make sense at all. You are so nonsensical. You are so nonsensical. You don't make sense at all. You don't even make sense to, I don't know. A reason to see any controversy with social media every time. I know you are looking for attention. Oh, I'm not going to seek attention. Say, I'm not so way. Emma, go back, but wait, I am your view. I am your view. I am attention, but what is attention say? Attention, yanima gualo, keni ale, you got guale ya here. Attention, yanima gualo, keni ale, you got guale ya. So, who's a gual attention and guale expecting you no roto, na ma emu yi loye. Ugize gwala tension na agwa le le petion yimi ki anene le lo yimi jo wa le lidin pa. Una agwa la tension na agwa le fi we petion yimi na ma emuji din. Attention seeking where is just too much. And she said do we for iwa. Ijore matie bone e mi no ta ma we rest in peace daddy. Wo hi joro sa ba he ohion ba. Wo he ohion ba. They no wa hion wena. Ge we ohion ba heroic you are very close. Then you are here where you but when woman restrict step away. I want social media keep a video now. Keep it very well. I don't wish you bad. You might wish you were bad. We are doing is joking. But I want you to know that you were going back. I talk bogioma. I can wear you heroic. Where people were man restrict step away. I be so ya gbelu nu weji. Heroic ban wa re be hion baban. Again, you have to hammer. We're going to show it Ladian do your no fire again. May salt and water ministry when every time you tamwa. It's deny. You're able to want like him, no. I love it. He like it dollable. He like how many bemaran. You man no have my way big around. Because woman of mommy, the way in Ayamiha. Woman, I'm your problem, the way in Aye problem her. Anybody no me on the kid on a problem, I'm your only girl to me on your magnum. Anybody or money, you hold that person at high esteem. E noise we wa make upagolo gbe upagolo we pe social media bugbe chogo everything wa upagolo nu pe make a noise gbe you are making the biggest noise at times when so noise ni odo kin e ni ya fe but e noise we ni in most cases you go and use it to include them and you wa ni maseke nuje e ga ni I am with torchlight down we ni anaba a family am with torchlight down we na anaba we ya jegwe e gbigwe egwo we na gbe. Every time we are why big where who big where the thing na for big no pay ya. This is just an advice. It's just an advice. I don't mean bad for you, my dear. You saga, I'm not a saga person. And if I want to do saga, me anyway, I do a saga me out. No wonder why your man go now. You go to me and you wear one. So I don't need those kind of money. So I buy go me la moto no mo me. Or see any na la rodo. I buy go me la moto no mo me. You see? Imagine like a babagani, you have get rubbish, you get nonsense in it. I don't like it. I don't know why you are liking it. You are just giving yourself problem and headache, heartache, unnecessary drama for no reason. Again, why you are for no more test bread? We are still in here for no reason because you want to make money on social media. What kind of nonsense is that? Mama unshakable, please, mama. No man, what back where we were, la go. Ma be have me and watag me so or what dele your but why say baking and do atematan you are very afraid of some people ni me ma be get away even nothing. I don't know why you are afraid of them you there anywhere e ma na dey no ma water no la wo si anu gi atore na I don't know ya gun that don't nya no atore no we do to we gbugwa we me I don't know why you are behaving like that so kwa back mama shake boy igala dian even we ba uni ga iwo ni you not me daddy me we wa mu me na gie na ave na hin what is all this so kwa ba there na o kwa ba there ni ana o wa do na me daddy Monica egbe me daddy gwa Monica egbe me daddy gwa ije la ore in video o kwa ba hun e no my your boy sant ofin be o ya e san litori o no my ofin be o ye o ya e san no wa rap o ye gbo yori fo anyway why everything wa mo boy aja listen what was all that so la wo that is my message this morning to who it may concern may the soul of Obasogi of Benin Kingdom rest in peace we say and wa get rest for too much igbe wa get rest wa get still social media came and very we be Benin do I different things in yala dan wa e wo if you want to talk on social media bring out your face and talk eri aya won magun wa ri face we la tun gwan we beg man gwan e ti hele yin orun agawa o an ge mi ati e no an do magun no wa e de e monkey no wa people must just know who is talking anyway wa la dian we aruwe bi ati e no tani o ta se e ga ne ruwe na fija de ruwe wu ne we no ruwe bi no ha got ta se ga na mwedu wedidin we na won pa no pe hian ye picture la bi social media o tale rubbish no concern e we na do not have din will you be happy u ga like why ye ni we gbege u te tell me so ka ya we gbege ni because we man ya we gbege we dem any do ma dem ma any ya fe ya gwa le view we me ri ma ya the social media manager ya gwa le 10,000 view every day ya buko gi we so ya imutia every time ya tamuwa if you log on na me Wa so atale rubbish wa atale wa gboko gi every time igba wa dele ye me do agewe. Eriya ya ge ma. That is it. But me man like you see na we ehun dey view. Already was one way na view igbo. But una give make sense view igba ya we na me hu mi. My sister Monica Wame talent, let me tell you the truth of the matters are Wame talent Monica. A talent gele wa guwe personally. A talent where a talent na ya present a show. You can present show, you can analyze show, but you there thing for no reason. There thing for no reason. Ume talent na ya we show. Oh no time you ma die talent with guwe social media no we go mani on oge no one. It's a lying beast. Wame talent. But a talent way. You attach it to trouble every time. Why attach it to trouble? You'll be killing yourself and your reputation for no reason. If I don't make any ajubijwe while lie so you do le kona ajubijwe for no reason. You see now, of which is not good. I take a while lie so I'm where you go no where I respect you and I how we get now talent. But I is video. Night ya where you gonna a hono in when are you honing where do ajubijwe ho? Eh? Umay and the boy in how walk back no mama ajubi ajajin. So for no reason, don't behave like that again. Woman needs it, you don't need it. You can present topic. I use a topic, try to work more on your talent. I use a topic, you know, talent way. A talent way, and you begin to work on it, you have it. You have worked on it, yes. Build it and use it very well. Don't go every time and start dragging yourself to who they stupid. You are not becoming so stupid for no reason. It's not good. I'm a person like you. Already, ma here feni mo we the mama shake boje ni no wa mu hu gwedo aka ni we Monica eti gbodi anu ruwe eti tama we give nu wuge ma if you are verse no we wo wa na dey obi gare toilet na lefu a when you are verse we no gbasa no wa ma gbe so our verse we is due on social media. You need to get some verse on social media. Or who one social media presenter or who one every other person or gba like we will not come and answer you. Igwan often wa came and say gbogbo ala na wo kaboa I know talk put but if no jam egun ajo ni gbe gbe repeat e o we ni vie do ya ladun water no ni vie do ya ladun anu ya dori enwan enu nda ota we no na and ota na we ni de nwan so gba ma be ni mejo vie do me be kin so e ba me na ladun me na me right na ya de enwan ye je me wetani e o ma be no be ho yin ho ege o vie do yin de kin na e go vie do yin na do ari enwan ni ene mo ha we o because e ma no me ni recharge o go me re no ma me na mu home me abeg rubbish ware recognize it we nonsense na him me na make a rubbish you make a way man do understand ya beg nonsense recognize and me nu wo ma me ke no say the kenije a reason me no ta e me so okay ladin a we a reason ya total game and push we total when we e me na ni ata na nya no na here you are just disgracing. I don't know. Please stop. I got TV yedo. Wa here go. I gba me na wa here. I got TV yedo. Ya wa do la bi anto answer na. O ma hu ne. Bye bye. I time I ngira gmo pa ya gmo re. I judge man who we court of justice ropa. O ta ropa ero na no. We kini gba man no hit you turn. You know dey this life. O ma hit you turn tag arrest. So we are begging man dey you turn give arrest. You understand? I got look for necessary attention seeking attitude the way. It's thinking and it's too much. You seek unnecessary attention for nothing. And the people who are behind you, people who give you advice. If you have a mommy where that's the way like social media so man don't answer where we wanna we na me. For what? That was for one year. I wear very only. So if you want to make talk, make sure you have another mommy the daddy way. Yan neya women yatana bear. Even here now we have a book of you warrior na make sense. Gwale mi na we go. U ka biare u copy the man no ja we line. Even na mi go ya fe lao. Even no ego ya mi go la way. Woman is no more necessary this and the worst part of it all. Akwa oga to agbogun man who we no wa una. Kin we donat to e ki at agbogun man. Akawe yimi. So make sure woman to agbogun when we make na akawe yimi. Ona any no concern we presenter. Or ya concern no one no concern the chief in regwa. Next time don't do it again. All right? No e ka wo ya fe uma yeti edigwe ya we edigwe yo ma edigwe yo fo wa we gbe wa we do si obi do wa me do sigbo wara wa baba o